We're all creatures of habit, some good, some bad. Your workforce is no different. They develop workplace routines, and they become resistant to change. You know that transitioning to a new CNC controller is out of their comfort zone, so why bother? Well, to achieve the legendary performance of the Brother-Speedio, a new CNC controller was needed. It's been designed to take advantage of time-saving features that are only possible on the Brother-Speedio. So why bother changing? Because the most lasting change will be increased productivity and increased profits. When you win, your people will win too. So why not invest in meaningful change with the Brother-Speedio? It's your money.
When we announced to our team that we were going in the Brother direction, there was some hesitation and a little resistance. When we explained that more productivity would lead to more job security and more pay, they got on board.
Brother-Speedio, the every shop machine.